Are you ready to upgrade your workshop? Today we're counting down 20 genius woodworking tools that are almost too powerful to exist. Whether you're a beginner DIYer or a seasoned carpenter, these innovative power tools, smart workshop gadgets, and precision hand tools will completely transform how you cut, carve, join, and finish wood. From ultra-precise laser cutting jigs to high-torque shaping tools, each innovation is built to save you time and maximize workshop efficiency. Let's dive into number 1. Keep your woodworking precise and efficient with a chisel that stays ready for demanding jobs. Introducing the Ox Pro Replaceable Tip Wood Chisel, designed to eliminate sharpening with replaceable tips that maintain a sharp edge for professional woodworking and framing. Its full steel tang extends from the tip to the striking cap, providing strength and durability under heavy-duty use. The slim, ergonomic design offers lightweight handling, precise control, and easy storage in tool pouches or belts. A holster stores spare tips and mounts to tool belts or molly systems for quick access. The reinforced glass fiber polycarbonate striking cap resists bending and outperforms traditional steel caps, making it ideal for woodworking, framing, trimming, and chiseling tasks. Create strong, accurate joints without slowing down your woodworking projects. Introducing the Woodstarter Biscuit Joiner Tool, an 8.5 amp 12,000 RPM plate joiner built for smooth, precise cuts and reliable furniture making. Its adjustable angle from 0 to 90 degrees and multiple cutting depth settings provide accurate alignment for a wide range of wood joinery applications. A built-in dust bag keeps your workspace cleaner and improves visibility, while the durable 4-inch tungsten carbide-tipped blade delivers dependable cutting performance. The complete kit includes 100 biscuits, making it ready to use for beginners and professionals. An anti-slip handle, safety lock, and balanced body provide comfortable control for extended work on hardwood, plywood, and MDF. Get straighter cuts and repeatable angles without fighting unstable workpieces. Meet the Woodpeckers Taper Sled, a versatile table saw sled designed for precise tapering, straight line ripping, and accurate woodworking. The fully equipped setup includes two 18.5-inch miter bars, a rigid powder-coated steel fence, 2 knuckle hold-down clamps, a 32-inch honeycomb plywood sled, and racket, fitting any 3/4-inch by 3/8-inch table saw miter slot. Its laminated non-slip surface and deflection-resistant fence provide rock-solid support, while precisely spaced scales simplify rise and run angle calculations. Adjustable knuckle clamps secure thin or thick stock, and track slots, T-track fittings, flip stops, and additional hardware add versatility for table legs, rough boards, furniture, and precision woodworking projects. Bring your carving ideas to life with smooth wood that is easy to shape and ready for creativity. Introducing the BeaverCraft Basswood carving blocks, an 18-piece set of unfinished wooden blocks and cubes in 2 different sizes, giving beginners and skilled carvers plenty of options for unique projects. Made from premium basswood, known as one of the softest and easiest woods to carve, each piece is smooth and prepared for effortless shaping. The variety encourages experimentation with different designs, while the soft texture makes sanding, painting, and finishing simple. This whittling wood for crafts is ideal for carving figures, ornaments, decorations, practice pieces, and unusual handmade creations in your workshop or home. Get perfectly straight holes without investing in a full-size drill press. Introducing the SpeTool Portable Drill Guide, a high-precision solution featuring liner ball bearings and a 0.004-inch high-precision drill guide with an all-aluminum base for woodworking and DIY. Its spring-assisted mechanism returns the drill after every hole, while built-in ball bearings provide smooth, effortless movement. With less than 0.00 0.04-inch or 0.1mm radial runout and 160mm drilling depth, it delivers repeatable accuracy in wood, plastic, and thin metal. The zero-edge design supports flush drilling, while the 1/2-inch keyed chuck, V-groove, and crosshairs simplify alignment. Ideal for hinges, doweling, cabinets, furniture, and batch drilling tasks. Achieve cleaner, more accurate layouts with less guesswork. Meet the Vislone Wheel Marking Gauge, a woodworking marking scriber kit for carpenters, featuring a 180mm sliding mark scraper for precise work. Its linear arc dual-purpose design uses a stainless steel roller for smooth straight line and arc marking. The durable aluminium alloy metal bar includes an anti-roll design with sturdy knobs for stable operation. A universal type pen holder supports pens, refills, needles, and pencils for marking and cutting wood fibers. The clearly visible scale ensures easy measurement and balanced handling. Suitable for ceramic, iron, acrylic, wood, and glass, it is ideal for versatile woodworking drawing tasks. Work safer and feed material with greater control. Introducing the Bow Products Expandable Push Shoe, a versatile push block for woodworking, designed for table saws, bandsaws, and router tables. Its adjustable width control expands from 2 inches to 6 inches with a single top knob, handling narrow rips, wide boards, and plywood. The ergonomic TPR grip keeps hands elevated, while triple locking fins and a non-slip base provide anti-kickback control and stable feeding. A transparent body improves blade alignment, and tool-free adjustment simplifies setup. With universal use across jointers, planers, shapers, and shop machines, it helps deliver safer, straighter, more controlled woodworking cuts. Make every fastening job faster, cleaner, and more reliable. Introducing the Easework Pneumatic Staple Gun, a 22-gauge upholstery staple gun for 3/8-inch crown and 1/4-inch to 5/8-inch length staples, designed for upholstery, woodworking, fabric, and DIY projects. Requiring an air compressor, it delivers 200+ staples per minute with an ultra-low 0.01% jamming rate and a 180 staple magazine. The lightweight aluminum body, rubberized grip, double safety trigger, and 360-degree rotatable exhaust provide comfortable, controlled operation. Built for 300,000+ shots, it securely fastens furniture upholstery, leather, carpet underlay, cable, screens, automotive interiors, picture frames, and crafts with dependable pneumatic performance. Achieve clean screw holes and professional finishes with less effort. Introducing the Ezarc Countersink drill bit set, a new upgraded set featuring 15 pieces of countersink drill bit options, covering essential tool accessories for wood projects. Crafted from industrial-grade HSS with a nitride-treated surface, these bits offer enhanced toughness, wear resistance, and a 2x longer lifetime than common carbon steel. Adjustable depth stop collars provide precision depth control for consistent results, while sharp cutters and an 82-degree counterbore angle ensure efficient drilling and a flawless finish. Designed for hard and soft woods, this versatile set works with hand drills, bench drills, and electric drills for cabinetry, furniture making, and DIY woodworking. Get precise work holding and faster setups for every CNC project. Introducing the Fuzqq CNC Positioning Side Clamps, an aluminum low-profile vise for CNC router machines, T-slot, and perforated tables. Compatible for repeatable positioning in milling, engraving, and woodworking. Crafted from premium aluminium alloy, these clamps provide rigidity, durability, and corrosion resistance for secure machining. Their accurate positioning reduces setup time and repetitive adjustments, while side clamping holds materials from the edge for unobstructed top surface access. Easy setup lets you install them quickly, improving workflow efficiency. Designed for reliable fixturing, they are ideal for carving, cutting, milling, metalworking, woodworking, and CNC machining tasks. Make every measurement and alignment faster with one versatile tool. Introducing the Kapro MeasureMate tool, a 24-inch level and ruler featuring sliding markers and a knife guide, nail gripper, and drill bit gauge for convenient home improvement. Its sturdy triangular construction provides stability and accuracy, while 0 and center point scales, plus imperial center, metric, standard, and electrical scales simplify precise work. The sliding knife, guide, detachable nail gripper, and drill bit diameter gauge enhance everyday efficiency. Designed for plumbing, electrical jobs, and DIY projects, it is ideal for leveling pictures and mirrors, setting cabinets and shelves, cutting wallpaper, and positioning faucets and power sockets. Make narrow cuts safer, faster, and more consistent in every woodworking project. Introducing the Peachtree Thin Rip Table Saw Jig, a practical solution for precise strip cutting while keeping your hands safely away from the blade. This thin rip jig for table saw delivers consistent strip width every time, using a fixed reference point, eliminating repeated fence adjustments. Fast setup means less measuring, while the built-in roller provides smooth, controlled feeding for cleaner results. Its versatile design works across table saws, router tables, and band saws, making it an essential workshop tool for creating uniform, thin strips, repeat cuts, and accurate woodworking components with confidence. Secure your projects firmly and work with greater confidence. Meet the Horusdy spring clamps, 5-inch large plastic clamps for crafts with a 2 3/8-inch jaw opening, designed for DIY, gluing, clamping, and securing. Their heavy-duty nylon construction with reinforced glass fiber, a comfortable grip, a double TPR handle, and an ergonomic design provides dependable handling. The tempered steel coil spring delivers up to 25 pounds of clamping force, while the wide rotary jaw automatically adapts to uneven surfaces for a stable grip and protects your workpiece. Built for versatility, these clamps are ideal for professional woodworking, photography, crafts, and various DIY projects requiring reliable, controlled clamping. Achieve perfect cabinet hardware placement with less effort and greater accuracy. Meet the Seika Cabinet Hardware Jig, a cabinet handle doweling template tool and cabinet handle jig for knobs and pull, featuring an adjustable self-centering punch locator and precise woodworking drill guide. Built from durable anti-rust aluminum alloy, it resists wear and corrosion for long-lasting use. Adjustable positioning supports 4mm diameter holes for different handle and pull sizes, while the simple center nut adjusts edge distance and hole spacing. Its foldable, portable design saves space and reduces wasted materials, ideal for installing kitchen drawers, cabinets, knobs, door handles, and drawer fronts with precision. Make every cutting and shaping task faster with one versatile kit. Introducing the Comoware Handsaw and File Set, a 12-in-1 solution featuring blade quick change, 10 saw blades, and 6 files for precision cutting in woodworking, DIY, model crafting, PVC, metal cutting, and home renovation. Its quick change mechanism swaps wood, metal, and plastic blades in just 3 seconds, while high-carbon steel blades resist bending. 6 diamond-coated and needle files provide accurate shaping and deburring. A crush-resistant storage box keeps everything organized and portable. This practical kit is ideal for workshops, job sites, and hobby rooms, making a useful gift for Dad. Achieve accurate angles with confidence using a dependable woodworking essential. Introducing the O-School Sliding T Bevel Gauge, featuring a 10-inch stainless steel blade and aluminum handle for durability, precise control, and long-lasting performance. Its 360-degree stainless steel blade resists bending, while the sturdy aluminum handle offers durability and aesthetic appeal. The locking mechanism secures the blade at any desired angle and allows flipping for either side. Designed for versatile angle measurement, it transfers internal and external angles accurately when used with a reference board or protractor. Ideal for creating cabinets, furniture, picture frames, and other woodworking projects requiring precise angle setting and cutting. Tackle cutting jobs faster with a versatile blade set built for demanding projects. Meet the TrivdPro Multitool blades, a 100-piece oscillating blade kit featuring oscillating tool blades for metal, wood, and plastic, compatible with DeWalt, Milwaukee, Fine, and Bosch. The 4-type multi-tool blades include 10 titanium blades, 45 curved edge blades, and 45 oscillating blades for workshop and household use. Made from high-carbon steel, stainless steel, and titanium, high-temperature quenching, they offer durability and longer life. The curved edge design reduces vibration and improves stability, while the universal interface fits over 98% of oscillating tools for precise cutting. Make every cut cleaner and more reliable with blades built for demanding woodworking. Meet the Luckyway miter saw blades, a cross-cutting tungsten carbide miter saw blade 2-pack featuring a 12-inch miter saw blade with a 32-tooth general-purpose design and a 12-inch miter saw blade with an 80-tooth fine finish blade. Tungsten carbide teeth provide excellent wear and heat resistance, toughness, and longer life, helping you make quick, smooth, and accurate cuts. These blades are perfect for slicing through hardwoods, softwoods, plywood, melamine, oak, pine, and embedded nail wood. Designed for dependable performance, they are ideal for woodworking, construction, furniture making, and detailed cutting tasks. Breathe easier through demanding work with reliable protection and lasting comfort. Introducing the Basecamp M Pro Dust Mask, an all-day, comfortable, reusable respirator mask with an L-shaped head strap design for secure, extended wear. Its 6-layer filter delivers 99.6% filtration against dust, pollutants, and airborne particles, while activated charcoal helps reduce odors. The adjustable L strap and nose clip provide an excellent seal, and the dual valve design improves breathability during prolonged tasks. Durable, washable, and supplied with 6 filters, this safety work mask is ideal for woodworking, landscaping, DIY, dust, sanding, grinding, and spraying applications. Create accurate curves and circles with confidence using a dependable drafting tool. Meet the Nicpro Compass, a professional carpenter pencil compass with a wing and pencil holder designed for geometry, drawing, and drafting. Made from thick, high-quality carbon steel with a sizable 12-inch length, it provides durability for demanding projects. Its lockable design makes adjustments simple while supporting repeat measurements without skipping or sliding. The pencil holder lets you draw circles up to 30 inches in diameter across most materials. This versatile tool is ideal for woodworking, carpentry, metalworking, and leatherwork, helping professionals and DIY users create precise circles, arches, and layouts. Which of these genius woodworking tools do you need in your shop right now? Let us know in the comments below. If you love discovering these innovative woodworking gadgets, smash that like button, subscribe for the best workshop tool reviews and DIY woodworking hacks, and hit the notification bell. Check the description for all tool links. Thanks for watching, stay safe in the shop, and see you next time.